If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. You can warp text in a text layer to apply a general shape to all the text. For example, you can apply the arc shape to a text layer to make the text arc like a rainbow. You cannot warp text that has faux bold formatting applied, nor can you warp bitmap fonts, nor any font that doesn't include outline data. To warp text in a text layer, first select the text layer to warp. Select the type tool used to create the text within the toolbox and the tool options bar. Then click the Warp Text button in the tool options bar to open the Warp Text dialog box. In this dialog box, then select a shape from the Style dropdown. After selecting a shape from the Style dropdown, select whether it is applied in a horizontal or vertical manner by selecting the desired option button if available. Then use the Bend, Horizontal Distortion, and Vertical Distortion sliders to increase or decrease the settings applied to the warp effect. Finally, click the OK button when finished to warp the text in the selected layer. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.